Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. We are going to study today negative imports list for defense. Now this is really important because time and again in prelims they have asked question regarding the negative import list. What is the definition of negative import list? Why this list is prepared? And also they have asked time and again what are the subjects that are included in the negative imports list. So without wasting any time, let's get started and finish this topic as soon as possible. Also, the class PDF will be uploaded on the Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease. You can simply download it from our Telegram channel. Alright, the link is given below in the description box. Let's get started without wasting any further time. Let's understand first that what is the news, why it has been in news, what is the context of this particular article. So government has brought in few changes in the negative imports list policy. गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया है, जो उनकी नेगेटिव इंपोर्ट लिस्ट पॉलिसी है उसमें कुछ चेंजेस लेकर आई है गवर्नमेंट. What are the changes? First changes, armed forces will now be able to import defense equipment in certain circumstances even if it figures in the negative import list. अब आर्म्ड फोर्सेस जो है वो कुछ डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट को कुछ स्पेशल सर्टेन सर्कमस्टांसेस में इंपोर्ट कर सकती है, भले ही वो अगर इस लिस्ट में मौजूद है. सेकंड, this includes scenarios. Now this includes scenarios where there is an immediate requirement. जब बिल्कुल ही ज्यादा हमें जरूरत है उन डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट्स की, उस केस में भले ही वो डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट्स नेगेटिव इंपोर्ट लिस्ट में है, फिर भी आर्म्ड फोर्सेस उनको इंपोर्ट कर सकती हैं. ओके, those immediate requirement that domestic industry cannot cater to. Third, there is also a provision now to review or remove items mentioned in negative import list, which was first formulated in August 2020. Alright, so this is the changes, or this is the you can say tweaks that have been introduced by government in the negative import list policy in this year, right, in 2021. Now let us understand what exactly is a negative import list. Before we move any further, here's a small announcement for all of you. Unacademy conducts All India free scholarship test every Sunday at 11 a.m. So this Sunday, that is 5th December, again Unacademy will be conducting this All India free scholarship test at 11 a.m. and it will be a live test. So what you have to do is you have to click on the link provided in the description box of Unacademy Combat. You have to use invite code ARPITA10, enroll in the test and give this test live at 11 a.m. on Sunday. And here in this test, scholarship will be given from a pool of rupees 4 crore plus. तो 100% scholarship मिलेगी rank 1 to 3 को, 75% scholarship rank 4 to 10, 50% scholarship rank 11 to 50 will get, and 25% scholarship will be given to rank 51 to 500. And this test will be conducted on the same lines as that of the prelims examination. Now, negative import list is a boost for domestic industries because it details or it lists down all the military equipment that government would not import in future and will be produced by domestic industries only. तो domestic industries के लिए एक तरीके का आप बोल सकते हो वरदान होती है negative import list. उसमें सभी वो चीजें होती हैं, military equipments होते हैं जो government import नहीं करेगी बाहर, फ्यूचर में बाहर से import नहीं कराएंगे, हम अपनी कंट्री में डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज से ही वो बनवाएंगे. And this policy was introduced in August 2020. Okay, basically it means that armed forces, that is the Army, Navy and Air Force, will only procure such items from domestic manufacturers only. So it's a boon for the domestic manufacturers. Alright, it could be private sector players also, it could be defense public sector undertakings also. But we will not import those particular equipments from the other countries. We will take the help of the domestic manufacturers to produce those equipments. So what are the items which are included in the negative list? The items which are mentioned in negative import list are water jet fast attack craft to survey vessels, pollution control vessels, light transport aircraft, GSAT-6 terminals, radars, unmanned aerial vehicles, certain rifles, bulletproof jackets, etc. So as per the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, India has been the second largest importer between 2014 and 2019. This is important for prelims. इस तरीके के statement based questions are asked. Alright. So India has been a second largest importer between 2014 to 2019 with US $16.75 billion worth of imports during this period. इस पीरियड में 16.75 बिलियन यूएस डॉलर्स का इंपोर्ट हमने किया था, तो सेकंड लार्जेस्ट इंपोर्टर हैं हम लोग. गवर्नमेंट वांट्स टू रिड्यूस द डिपेंडेंस ऑन इम्पोर्टेड आइटम्स। इसी के मद्देनजर गवर्नमेंट क्या चाहती है कि हम इम्पोर्ट पर अपनी डिपेंडेंस जो है उसको कम करें, ठीक है, ताकि पैसे कम हमारे बाहर जाया हो, ठीक है। दैट इज वाई टू गिव अ बूस्ट टू द डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्री एंड टू reduce the dependence on imported items, we have tweaked this negative import list, all right, or you can say we have made or prepared this negative import list. So defense ministry notified the second negative import list in May 21, because first was created in 2020, okay, and it has notified that 108 items that now can be only purchased from indigenous sources only. So this new list takes the total number on the list to 209. This is a boost. This is good for the local defense industry. ज़्यादा items इस list में आएंगे तो ज़्यादा local industries से government वो चीजें बनवाएंगी, तो local defense industries का flourish ज़्यादा करेंगी वो. And it will also give a boost to domestic research and development. Fresh investment will be made into the manufacturing capabilities and in the technology also. And basically for the MSMEs, and it is an excellent opportunity for the startups, okay, and also the MSMEs. So these are the benefits of preparing negative import list. All right. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. ये था आपका negative import list for defense का topic. अब आपको समझ आ गया इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Now you will be in a position to answer any questions that can be asked in prelims on the negative import list for defense. So on this note, we are wrapping up the session. Thank you everyone for participating in the lecture.